This is the Forester LE. I think that this could be a good solo rig, or solo with pets, or couples. Look how cute the cabin is. Okay. Wet bath. That's going to be a no for me, having a wet bath, but it could definitely work for others, right? We all might travel different, want different things in our rig, and that is completely and totally fine. No two people are alike. Easy display panel here. Okay, and room for a bed, and your TV is up here. Yes, I think that this could be great for solo couples, couples with young children, solo with pets, couples with pets. Could definitely be a nice option.